Hi, I'm Charisma and I'm a new pattern designer, and I'm so excited to share with you a holiday project that I made for this upcoming holiday. And the line of fabric that I chose to use for this is Deb Strain's Homegrown Holiday for Moda, and it's such a beautiful line of fabric, and my project was picked up by Keepsake Quilting, so you can get these kits exclusively at Keepsakes. So here, let me share a little bit of the project with you. The first part of the project is the Hope pillow, and it's such a fabulous line of fabric. It goes perfectly. I love the O because I think that you can add some bows, some buttons, some sequins, anything. Make it a little wreath and just embellish it to bring it to anything that you would like. So the next pillow is the Love pillow, and they have the sweet little trees, and I also embroidered the word love and just kind of outlined the heart with a running stitch. Very sweet, simple project. And then the third project in the pattern is a table runner, which incorporates the Hope and then the trees from the Love pillow and then this fabulous border by Deb Strain. So again, if you would like to pick up a kit for any of these projects, go to Keepsake Quilting. Thanks, and have a happy holiday.